Today is the March 12, 2025. Time is 12:52. I'm stalking GBP and Euro pairs. They both are on my late radar. And this morning I look, Euro GBP is dropped. This is 3-minute chart, okay? It's dropped. That means Euro lose the strength to GBP. GBP can be strong, and I can't wait for the market open at New York. It's about 2 hours, one an hour something. So I buy GBP JPY and GBP New Zealand. I just put the button buy right now. Here my stop loss. I have to put my take profit, and this take profit I will look at 1 hour. I don't find a space to put my take profit. Okay, I have something here to put my take profit, and that would be how many are 1,000. This could be the place. Is the second level. This is the first level. They don't want that, just that. This is messy. Separate into 3 candle level. 1, 2, 3. In this small area, 3 obstacle. What a mess. But I want this to be around here. Second and third, about here, okay? And that's this is my stop loss. If I take in 4 hours, right now it's fresh. I need my stop loss to be a little bit further away, just because it's fresh. And my further away could be 1-to-1 to be approximately x2 on the resistance. Okay, now I get 1-to-1 ungefähr, approximately, when I look at 4-hour chart. This is gonna be my trading time frame from now on. If it's so, this is my guy who started, and he moving up a little bit, up and up for higher high, higher low. But this is the square. On top of this range, it's time for the seller to push it down. But the radar said GBP and Euro are strong from top-down approach of the weekly, monthly. So I'm concerned to buy more than to sell. Even though it's at the top of this level, I take my luck, not the luck, but I research for a whole way through here. If it's taking me away, let's be it. Because today I am on green day. I can sit with the chart for a bit longer. So I want to scalp. Okay, now they fight me back. This normally it will respond. I'm well aware of that the seller will respond to get a better price down here as a discount. But I'm a buyer along with this guy, and said that I buy everything you have, because now it's approaching to the market opening, New York market opening, and the Japanese yen is negative news effect. So it could be that many buyers, many of my team will piling up, move the things further to the place where the next level is on the top of the range, to the next SLR, where I already put my stop loss there and my take profit. So this is GBP back to 5 minutes. Okay, let's do it to 3 minutes. Like the rest is a little bit tricky when it's not in sequence. It throw off my timing. So put it back to 3 minutes so I can adjust accordingly, equally of the time frame. And another pair I already get in is GBP New Zealand. So GBP New Zealand is on my heat map and it's running number 3rd on 15 minutes 15 minutes time frame. So I went in by here at this green line, and now I pay the consequent because I know that they're gonna pull back, but I'm just too hot to get in. I can get out now. It is a little bit small candle, but this level, if it's hold, that means possible GBP will go up. So this is, I need to put stop loss to it, but I'm not just gonna put stop loss here because market opening coming soon. So the fluctuate of the price will tell me that my stop loss can be erased. I had some position going there already. GBP New Zealand, let's take lowers to see clearly which line is which line. You know, this is like crazy because I need to take away the indicator. Let's do that. Let's be with it. Let's learn to live with this indicator. Even it's clocking up, you have to learn to read where is my buying position. Buy here. Okay, let's buy. Is it 15 minutes? Okay, that's my buy limit. Another buy, I put buy limit here, that's why it's disturb my vision. This is what I just get in. I'm live, no waiting, no limit, no buy limit. So this is the VPOC yellow line. I'll put a little bit further away from that. At the first, underneath the first pivot arrow, far away for 15 minutes, guys. But really, my trading is on. Oh, I have no. Where is? This is like, I need to go higher to have a space for my take profit. Yes, this is like all-time high. Okay, no, it's not all-time high. So I can take my profit to get this limit, buy limit. Okay, let's give it. It will be a long hours, long days. It will tend to be my swing trade, higher time frame. I don't ask so much just here. Normally it's up here at this rate, but I don't think it will go just straight through. I hope it's hit my take profit before they pulling back and go up after, because it's already up so high here. First leg pull back, second not high, no higher high, then get bridge to this area, fight on the sideway, and then the green just poking out the first candle, and this have to keep up the strength. They come this far. If they want to go up further, they need to maintain up above this area. When they maintain this, they will fight to get reach to here and touch my take profit, pulling back and then go further. Or they're pulling back now. But why they're pulling back now? If they're pulling back now, it's like this is not happening. is just the range. So that's my second order for trade today. Let's put it down. Sequence. So all of this leg up, no hiccup, just 1, 2. That's crazy. I can't wait. I'm a FOMO. See, this guy is penetrate out. Just a small sign like that can kill me because they can turn back. But look at this candle. When the sellers see that strong buyer, they buy everything, so they're not gonna sell in front of the buyer. And everybody see only buyer, and now it's time crucial to have to look for the seller. There is no seller in sight. Seller first try and then they eat a whole thing up back to the place where it was before. And seller try again, eat a whole thing up, push a little bit up higher with this extra strong 4-hour candles. For today, they've been aggressive on this Japanese yen because the Japanese has a negative news event on building something. So now it is 55 minutes, 50 something minutes before this candle is closing. So I just got right in the fresh start where it's only 4 minutes after the 1 hour candle start, and the next hour will be the candle of New York opening market. So I buy 1 candle, 1 hour candle prior to the New York market today. Let's go down to 15. Okay, look at like only see more strong of the green yesterday, no? From day before yesterday, continuing and start to slow down at the Bollinger Band, squeezing, and the MACD crawl right above the upper side of the midline. And in there, when I got to the square there, or I call square, the range, they fight inside of this range to negotiate to determine the next level. And yesterday they not go anywhere. They're on sideways and continue on sideways in the Asian. When the Asian come, buyer keep trying, the seller didn't work for them. Buyer tries, seller not work for them. Buyer try, seller try. A little bit better at this time of the day. What is that? 6 o'clock in the morning. And around here, sellers start to coming back, but fell because they cannot penetrate to this support. And suddenly they break through at the what time? 10 o'clock, 10:30, like 1.5, 9:30. Okay, like a half hour. London, after London open, they being able to get some red in. They try, but they didn't get through the support, the 2 main support of this blue line. That helped me to read. Support didn't get through. What happened? Buyers storming. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 of green candles. Put it back to the top side of the range. Seller, after 2 times try, they're not gonna give up. They're thrown easily. They try the last candle and pivot show at the mid of the no man's land, and price surge, and this big surging price is on the London Open. So this is power with London Open, and the Japanese new was bad new, and so New Zealand, GBP New Zealand and things like that come from my heat map. Okay, we put it to 5 minutes, and now my buying is set to go at this 5 minutes candle. Just start 3 minutes ago. 2 minutes left to close this 5 minutes candle. We put it back to sequence of 3 minutes along with the rest of the frame. So 3 minutes, beautiful. I'm sitting for just the next hours. This candle can be turned to respect this area if it's trending, and then step on this guy head to go up to the north, trending up, trend run, trend run. That's what I expect. So as well as this GBP JPY, they are sister pair. So let's look at it for what is it. I put the stop loss rise or not. We'll check how the toolbox gave me. So this is so far my cockpit, my toolbox. I have one pending buy limit of GBP New Zealand. Since I already get into GBP New Zealand because my jet is hot, I don't wait too long before they reach this guy, so I'll close this up. I leave this, I get in manually right away. It's now the 3 position is running, is green, and for me this is a good day, and I hope the New York will not take me out, pulling back against me. So now is it in 3 minute sequence? Look like this. Everything is 3 minute sequence except the heat map. Heat map 5 minutes, a little bit above to be the godfather of the time frame below it, which is 3 minutes. So my heat map showing that Euro New Zealand on the lead on the heat map. GBP New Zealand running along second, running up, and it keep rapidly changing, taking the winning and losing, and the currency around say CAD JPY are the most running train. It's almost hit to be overbought area. GBP JPY is my trade. It's the second, is almost reached to the overbought area. US JPY, why didn't I look at it before? Because I have limit of brain. I have some pair that to take care of. That is enough. I need AI to help me on that, to remember every possible winning trading pair. So my pair GBP Aussie before running, look at this, beautiful, because I've been waiting an analysis on this judged pair, Euro GBP. Who gonna take the win? Euro, if the Euro take the lead, win over GBP, my trade will be not like this. GBP will lose. But GBP is taking the main lead. Not yet, it could be turning around, so keep eye on it. Let's take a look at this. Why my what this indicator didn't work. Let's do it new. Let's do it again. Time template and go to here with the SNR. Okay, I have to go indicator list and look amount. Okay, it works. Alright, this is how annoying of my program is not automatically set the thing up as I wish. Okay, what more? This Okay. Alright, get the things done. A little bit croaky up from the indicator, but I have to live with it because it's helped me a lot to look at the prices surging up above all of these Reebok and line like that, leaving them behind, make me happy. From top down approach, that's my trade. The first trade, GBP Aussie, I buy because of analysis from many days before, make me positioning radar on GBP Aussie. It turned to be a bad trade, but I keep believe that I get in too early before it's moving. It needs a time to pull back. This is the pull back here. It needs a time to pull back. That's make me sit in the hole as a hostage because my trade was way up here and it's turned against me. But it's strong. GBP is strong always, and I keep believing on it. And today last night it started to poking out, like to soup up out, soup up tempo, soup. This guy who thinking that they're gonna win when they see this, they're gonna close the trade, and once they realize that the trade is not gonna work, but it will be another pullback, sit on top of their heads and go up to the north. That's how I'm looking for, and that's beautiful. Okay, let's put it back to the same 3-minute sequence. Alright. Okay, 3-minute sequence in and put it. Okay, that's good. Let's make Euro GBP drop like a stone now. I'm not gonna touch it, it's just too strong. This Euro and GBP is strong on the top rank of weekly, monthly. Don't touch it, they are both strong. I pair them strong in week, so the weakest today is JPY. That's why I pair GBP JPY. GBP strong and Euro also strong, but I take GBP New Zealand because it's a pair, sister pair to this GBP Australian. I'm aggressive. My account I put in just 100 euro to try and to see if I make 100 euro to be something. It could be a millions. Who knows? Let's see how far I can push them. Let's look once again. So not so bad. From 100 euro to alright, GBP. Let's see how you work from monthly. So you look at the Euro GBP and it's just no man's land. Decision making. This Reebok volume of control is here. They are underneath. They'd have to run away from volume of control if this Euro gonna be strong. But it look like it's gonna lose strength today. This is weekly. You don't see the Euro losing strength because it's only a little ding here in the lower time frame. You see, it's always curve, step down, stair step, leg 1, step 1, step 2, not low, step. This is can be 1 and 2, leg 1, leg 2, step 1, step 2, stair step down to the hell, fight back, reach back to here, but put it back because this guy doesn't want it. They continue following this, the MA. bring out, sell every time they dip to kiss this 36 MA. This is 36 is Bollinger Band midline, 56 is this blue line. They kiss and drop, penetrate out and drop every time, and drop, keep dropping. Suddenly this guy coming, boom, okay, something. They have to realize that something is coming up, and this is not gonna happen. Too early to throw the white tower, so they're inching down to maintain their position, to go further through, but they can't. This is the first sign. The second one is real or not, but at least they can come back to where it was, almost hit the same record. No sign of the red. The red is my pair that I bet on euro weakness, and it's just right. The first candle show if this could be a euro weakness. So this is the idea of where the line giving. This is no more further up above. It's only gonna go down. That's why GBP could be strong and effect on my GBP Aussie, GBP New Zealand that I just bought right now. And this is what we look in the lower time frame. It look scary, red, waterfall. But in the higher time frame, 1 hour is like just begin. This guy haven't do anything, haven't say anything yet. If this gonna get him over the head or the butt to step, to move the things down to hell, to China, to wherever it wants to go. At least my alert stay at this line, yellow line, and I can't wait to see that. But so far I'm happy. Here come, they're gonna start to fight. At least something happening. At least I have my day off and can sit with this screen. Okay, let's put it back to 3 sequence. So far we know that Euro and GBP start to set in the first candle of the seller to push Euro weakness in. Okay, these 3 position in 1 buy GBP New Zealand, buy 2 GBP JPY, buy 3 GBP Aussie, not US, not GB Swiss franc, not Euro GBP. This is the indicator who win between GBP and Euro. It shows that Euro giving to the GBP to step them down, and that's why this is working. Back, repeat again. Alright, let's go to see if the news is on to look at yet. Okay, live chart Med5 is still 39 cents. Okay, that's Med5 live chart. USDX is 103, around 103, climbing back. And economic calendar, this is Japanese, the negative effect to the Japanese yen. Let's refresh. Okay, so far in 7 minutes before the CPI USD pair, CPI new and crude oil, and after that will be alarm is ringing. A lot of warning. A lot of alert. What are you doing? So many things happening. New York market is half hour away from New York market. I don't know what happened to it now. It looked like everything moving rapidly. Some volatility happening. My trade is in. I put stop loss and take profit a little bit far away to avoiding these crazy maniacs spreading price at the beginning of the market opening. So let's see who is warning me, who is alerting me. Okay, that is 2. Price alert. BTC. Okay, BTC 84,000. Okay, first one BTC 84,000, and let's see if I have anything going on here. Let's look at okay, nothing activate my trade here because sometimes I forget, I put sell limit and come back here, forget to come back and look. I have to control every trade as dear to my life. That's why I cannot put many trade. Bitcoin, it was saying Bitcoin. What is this here? Am I at Euro JPY? I want to look more what is for the alert. Alert. Yep. Alert is gone. Let's go back to my main chart. So far the price still negotiate with a high volatile, and I am glad that I'm not being taken out. Okay, let's look at who on the top of the heat map list. Euro New Zealand running up, Euro Aussie coming, following, GBP New Zealand, that's my trade, GBP Aussie, that's my trade, but they are pulling back right now. So, but they are on the top of the chart. So let's see who is overbought, and GBP JPY is overbought. Anyway, that's volatile. Okay, my trade, my stop loss hit one is taking out. What was that? GBP New Zealand is taking out minus 20%. GBP, what was I just say? GBP New Zealand taking out. But we'll see. We look at the GBP New Zealand now, why it's being taken out. Where is GBP New Zealand? GBP New Zealand. There we go there. GBP New Zealand. It's being taken out because the long liquidity grab Where is it now? Am I get in again? Before I get in again, I want to look. This guy go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. 2 trade to risk my life with. If it's go down for grab, and this is already grabbing, it's going up. GBP, JPY, Euro, CAD, JPY. No, I'm interested in GBP and Euro only. And my chart, I haven't, not Euro chart is setting up. Euro New Zealand is looking good. But what happened to New Zealand? I have no idea. Let's go to New Zealand. We just look at New Zealand. GBP New Zealand has been taken out. Can't believe that. Long week. Look. What is this? GBP New Zealand. That's GBP New Zealand. That's why it take me out from here. Am I gonna get in again? The candle end in 1 minute. Almost 2 minutes. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. This is 5 minutes candles. And I have not be able to control on this. I need a better, fast running computer. This is annoying when I can't do what I want to do. But at least give me 2 minutes to go. It's just grab me and then come back. Come on. Go in or now or now or not. This is the max line. If it's gonna penetrate through this, no, I don't think so. If it end here with the long tail, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna get in 2 minutes to go? What happened? It is true. 3 minutes, 3 minutes. There is win. This overlapping, fighting at my price. This still in green. This still almost no. GBP already gone. I have 2 to run. If one win and pay back on this thing, I'll be happy. If I make break even because of this being taken out. This GBP JPY, come on. JPY is weak. New Zealand this morning. Yes, that's right. This morning when I look at the currency strength index, CSI. This is no CSI here. Anyway, it was extreme, strange. New Zealand just dashing up to the top of overboard area from the oversold. And that's why New Zealand is strong also. That taking me my stop out. So now the candle is closed. Should I go in again? I am in. And this time stop loss where? Oh, this is the spread, guy. 12 point of spread. Not so bad. I used to get 14, 15. This is a spread. My stop loss. Okay, let's put stop loss further. Alright, let's put the stop loss further away this time. 4 hours minus my stop loss should be like a 4-hour thing. Okay, this is far enough just for a moment of this, okay, for the sake of the move of high spread during opening market hours. So it's all high time frame, on time frame. I don't know, this is like monthly. We show that okay, that is much more level higher than that. Stop loss in, take profit. Am I gonna take this as my okay, there, my higher time frame, my long higher time frame trading, long term, that's buying, that's a stop loss. If it sounds ridiculous, should be down here even, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Will we have the stop loss, a judgment? We are here, the price, stop loss down here at this, below the pivot, first pivot, and we are fight above the VPOC with the green candle. Now his turn. If he can get through this, not turn to be red and move down underneath here, no, that's crazy. But my stop loss here just for the moment, for that high spreading. The spreading is high, and 17 minutes before before New York open. So this is like crazy uphill, pull back 20%, 30% more or less for the test, for the seller if they really want to sell more, but they can't sell more because look at this pivot, the first pivot uphill, say okay, we're going up, they're gonna come down, take him out. If not, price more likely to go up higher. This guy take out this sell guy, and that's his level being breached, going up, breach, doesn't care about this and this guy. He's like, I don't care, I get here, the seller respond the first time to protect this level. My buy is to make it higher. So the buyer strawman here is this area, the first try, first top, second top almost, beat the record of the what's so called test 1, get test 2 a little bit above, not be able to arrest this guy. So this is double top with a long time spent here. In the higher time frame you see this as well as the lower time frame. Let's go down to 15 minutes. Now what happened just before, that's why it's taking me out, GBP New Zealand. because of this happened. The dash, the trap, the liquidity grabbing, the don't leave without me. They grab it. My stop loss hit, and now they're trying to go up again, and I put the buy once again. Is it a bad habit or not? This is part of me that I have to learn better. And this is a bet that now 15 minutes to go for the big, another of the big wave of the volatile at the New York opening. So this is far to here. What? How far from the repo? I thought I put that far, somewhere, even somewhere around here. That's far. Normally I would put here, but today I put here, and then it still get me crazy. Grab me. Who is who? GBP. Let's see if it's take what happened with the euro that they're fighting. Euro GBP. Okay, euros start to fighting back here by the green cluster here. Let's look a little bit better. So that's the big at the 15 minutes before London, for New York open. I don't know what happened. There's no news or anything. We can go check what happened just now, if that is a news. Okay, that's explaining. This is the news. US CPI, US CPI previous 3.3, and then actual 3.1. So US CPI all red. That's why that effect to this my chart that fluctuates, spread and everything. Long tail wick, liquidity grab. Nothing is is red, but something is good, like CPI anyway, month to month. Anyway, a whole thing what happened in effect to this. Anyway, a little bit 40 or 50 minutes now. The cat come in 55 minutes. So let's go back to our chart, where we were. Is this here? What's this chart? Euro GBP. So this is the key line. Fighting. Alright, it's first, it's got a chance, you gotta give them to fight, gotta pull back. They pull back quite aggressively with this strong green candle, and if they can make through this next of the support or resistance here, the next key line, pivot say going down, next to kill is this pivot, and volume high, that means activity is high. Okay, where am I? Let's put back. And what happened? Okay, EDP JPY, my trade. Let's see, put it smaller and check. I'm in. Okay, this is the new one, GBP New Zealand, that I've been taking out and went back. Here we go. New New York market starting, and let's see who is taking the lead, or is there anything activate for this first candle of the New York market opening. The next news is coming in the next hours for CAT news and USD news. Right now, we wait and see who is gonna move. And I haven't looked at the GBP USD yet. It's looked very long wick, long volatile candle. Catch switch, GBP switch from also. Everyone is affected on this same candle, but the matter of fact is GBP winning, because I see the GBP is strong, taking Euro down. So my GBP are more likely to win. That's why I was buy on GBP CAT before, but it was not performed. So I changing my pair, and I stuck with the GBP Aussie for quite some time. That's scary because take long time before it come back to take over the seller and make my green profit. And now at this opening market, let's see. First, New Zealand. It doesn't look like it's gonna perform for the first. This is the response. We have to let the seller try, and the buyer have his turn. Pivot said let him try, see what happened. At least my position a little bit draw down. If this two line break, possible next line. That's how this line helped me up to be alert. Where is this price possible to break or breach through? So far, right in the middle, no man's land. No man's land. That's GBP New Zealand at opening market, and my JPY, GBP JPY. It's look like it's running. Look at the volume, big, long volume, healthy, and coming up a little bit. Not there's no space for it to run so, but divergent. Hope not. That's GBP JPY 3-minute chart. Who else we haven't looked at? We look here. GBP Aussie. This is my questioning pair. I thought I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna close my position long time ago, but then I keep saying, okay, it will coming back, and today it coming back, and my buy stay in green. Look at this, try to break out from this area. Once it break out, pull back for a proper test. Seller came strong, halfway down, but buyer try. Once it reached to this 30% left over, to reach to the guy who started, to reach to this thing poking out. And that's where I said I buy it because it's souped up tempo. I said souped up tempo. This guy will be scared and run away. And that's what happened. This pulled back just to step on this guy's head, stair step to go on further to make the next level kill. And that's why I'm getting, and this is like the thing is take me out. Now I get back in somewhere this almost the same place, and now it's still say, hey, you don't go out, this is pivot. How many candles this make? Let's look at quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles so far. Fighting with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, it's like you have to count everything, in detail. Who gonna gain and win and lose is about this green and red, win and lose, level, territory. And this is like I bet on the green, GBP, Aussie. Here buy, my buy is this at this level, and that's it. It's the questioning. Let's put it back. There's still both sides are strong, squeezing, or more or less I say. 2 levels up, and this is major big thing. It's like S1. Definitely this is the S1, this is the S2, but anyway, this line is like major line that they need to get through, otherwise they will go nowhere. Okay, that's GBP Aussie. I thought it would go, never go, many days. You keep questioning, equation here not solved out. This one is the sister pair. They're running together, now it's going down together. And it's saying, hey, this is not going. Should jump the ship or bail out. This now, GBP can start to perform after it's dropped, pull back deep enough to get the price that they want. Let's see here the GBP CAD. This is the morning Asian Open here. Since London Open, and now London able to break this, but not yesterday low. Yesterday low still intact. So the CAD pulling back, not further away from this guy. He's still there. This is what his response, coming down with the big volume and big volume back, not, but the volume can be dominant to the one who wins. Look at the touching here underneath in the face of the seller. But where is the seller when they see this guy come very strong? And market just opening how many minutes ago? 9 minutes. So they have time to play around, to wait, testing the ground. If they can maintain this and the weekend of the buyer creeping up, not able to penetrate through this area, and what about this area later, not think about it. So this will be dropped if it come show the sign of weakening. That's GBP CAD. That's the bet that also questioning. I was here before. I make a profit but small, because I don't know, I have to go look what happened if I make anything, something here. But that I keep my mind on this pair too, CAD, because Euro CAD attacked the CAD heavily. Euro CAD is one of my major